बस एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा, मान लीजिए दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरे जान लीजिए।
Adab, Namaste and welcome to my channel. This is Bosslady Shruti if you guys are new, and today, if you cannot tell by the title already, I have a Eid look for you guys. I love doing these festive type looks every year, and Eid and Diwali especially are such festive celebratory times, and now that I have moved to UAE, I feel so much of the festive vibe this time around the year. So I just wanted to channel that, and I know green is a color that I don't think I have ever really experimented with on my channel here, and I felt like it kind of is a color that is very synonymous with Eid. So that is why I wanted to incorporate green in my look today. And yes, this is the final look. If you want to know how to get this look and how I achieved this, please keep watching. Hi guys, we are starting off with a clean canvas here, and we are first going to start off with the eyes. This is the MAC paint pot in laying low. I like using this one because I feel it matches my skin tone on my eyes a lot better than soft ochre. I've been using it for almost 2 years now, and I love it to kind of prep my eyes anytime I want to do like bright colors. And before I go in with anything, I just want to set it with a little bit of translucent powder. Then we're going to go into the Morphe 35U palette. It's a very beautiful colorful palette, and taking that bright pink shade, I'm going to take it on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to really blow out my crease with this because I want the pink to really kind of be fade on the crease, if I'm making sense right now. So yeah, that's why I'm going to first do that, and then taking that purplish shade from the same palette, I am going to take it on a denser crease brush and really kind of concentrate that to make your eye sockets kind of more projected. I feel like if you use like this kind of shades and gradations of shades, it really makes the eye look pop, and the other colors that you look pop. This is the magic tool for today. This is the makeup cut crease tool. I don't know what to call it, but I found this in Dragon Mart, so this is the first time I'm using it. Honestly, I'm just going to put my tart shape tape on it because that's, I guess, how you use it. So I first put the whole concealer on it, like I coat it with concealer, and then I guess you just have to take it and stamp it on your eye. This was the first time I was trying it, and I guess I didn't do a very good job, but I just went in with a brush and kind of cleaned the crease. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I guess I have to use it a couple of times to really get a good hang of it. But anywho, moving on, I'm going to first put some translucent powder and move on to our color of the day, which is green. Same palette, I'm going to use this beautiful green. It kind of matches what I'm wearing also. I'm going to put it on the outer and inner third of the eye, keeping the middle of the eye kind of blank. I feel like once I put the concealer, it really made the eyeshadows pop. Like the green is looking so much more truer and brighter, and I'm loving it right now, like honestly. After I am done with the green, I'm going to use this beautiful gorgeous Morphe pigment. It's this greenish gold, you know. Again, I felt like it just matched what I was wearing, so I want to really put it in like the spotlight area of the eye. That's the kind of look that I'm going for today. And first I'm going to take it with my finger and then kind of blend out the edges with a brush. I believe this is the best way to kind of work with pigments which kind of have this texture. Then of course we need to use our INCOLOR gel liner. I have to say I'm very impressed with this INCOLOR gel liner, and I am going to exaggerate my wing a little bit because of course it's a festive vibe that we're going for, so exaggerated wing is the way to go, my loves. Then I'm going to take this PAC moisture lotion kind of as a base and Then on top of that, I'm going to use the Benefit Professional just on kind of the middle of my face, because we have major pore situation going on there and we don't want that when we have makeup on. So this is the foundation concoction for today. I'm using the Fenty Beauty and the Huda Beauty foundation in conjunction with each other. And honestly, I like doing this because the Fenty one matches my skin tone right now a lot better than the Huda one. And the Huda Beauty is so thick and full coverage, but it's very thick in consistency also. So I don't like that thicker consistency all over my face. So when I mix both of the colors or both the foundations, I feel like it just gives me a beautiful, right foundation for this weather. Then I'm just going to pounce my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge all over my face just to make the foundation look seamless. This is the NYX Cosmetics Total Control Drop Foundation in Deep Sable, which I'm using as a contour. You guys know how much I love using foundation as contour. It's been my go-to lately. And I am again using a beauty sponge to work that into my skin. This is the ColourPop No Filter, not foundation, this is the concealer. I believe this is in medium tan, and this is also beautiful in its coverage and very lightweight, so that's why I like it. I like lightweight products basically. Yeah, I like lightweight products. Of course, I have to brighten under my eyes, and I'm going to use my trusty Maybelline Age Rewind, because I don't think I've used anything else in the past year, honestly, to brighten under my eyes other than the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm pretty hooked. Like, I'm a ride or die at this point of time. After that, I'm going to use my BANA banana powder to set underneath my eyes. I'm also going to do a little bit of baking, not too much, but just a little bit of baking. Then this is a Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus foundation powder. I like using this kind of just to set all over my face, because I feel the bronzer goes on a lot better once I do this. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Bronze palette, and I'm going to mix all the 3 shades of bronzer and bronze my face with it. I have been loving this palette to bronze my skin, especially since I have a little bit of tan going on. I feel like it just is so beautiful on Indian skin tones. Amazing. This is a Wet n Wild contour and highlight powder, and I'm going to take that yellow powder to really set the brightening amazement that is happening under our eye right now. And this is a PAC pencil that I got a while back. This is a beautiful shimmering green color, and I felt like it complements the eye colors that we are going for. The same green color from the Morphe palette, I'm going to kind of set the pencil that we used underneath our eyes and blow out our lower lash line. Then to again make that spotlight underneath your eye, I'm going to take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape and kind of clean out the part that I want the spotlight to be. And the same Morphe pigment that we used on top of our eye, we are going to use underneath our eye also. And voila! We have lashes on. This is the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. And this is the INCOLOR gel eyeliner pencil in a green color that I'm using on my waterline. Next, going to cheeks. These are the 2 pink shades from the NYX blush palette. Like you know, pink and green are the shades for today, so really going to blush them cheeks like that. Then taking the FARSALI Jelly Beam, I'm going to put it all over the high points of my face. You guys know my highlighter routine has not been complete without using the FARSALI Jelly Beam, so mama obviously has to use it. Then again, this is my favorite highlighter at the moment. This is the Maybelline Molten Gold Master Chrome highlighter, and it's just amazing. I'm going to set my face with the PAC Micro Finish spray and just pounce my beauty blender all over my face to make all the powders and everything come together. Time for lips. This is the Bella VOSTE lip liner. I love Bella VOSTE lip liners. I know nobody really talks about them, but trust me, they're very affordable and pretty good for their price point. This is a Miss Claire lip cream. I shall list everything down below, do not worry. And this is a beautiful pink color, and this is a random Revlon lip gloss that I just found lying around, so I was like, why not? And now I'm gonna put my jewelry on and be right back. So yes, this is how the finished look looks like once your hair is did and jewelry comes on. And I hope you liked it. Yay! So yes, that is the finished look. Honestly, this was the first time that I tried out the cut crease maker tool, and I think I have to still kind of get used to using it. I guess I still have to kind of get a hang of using it, so I will give it a go a couple more times before I kind of give my verdict of what I feel about the tool. But I'm very pleased with the way this look turned out, and I'm not someone who usually experiments with so much of color, especially like bright pink and green and all of that on my eyes, but I'm so glad that I did. I stepped out of my comfort zone, and I would honestly wear this look for something very festive. And yes, Eid Mubarak to everyone out there who is celebrating. May you have a beautiful, prosperous new year ahead. May you have a lot of good food, good times with your friends and family, and just a whole lot of cheer. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I make a video. And like I always say, keep it up.